like a god and follow every order, however ridiculous.
Okay. I have two pieces here, and I'm going to read the poem that I wrote. So this summer, or last summer, my family came to visit me in the U.S. for the first time since I moved here. And I've been here for 4 years, and they decided what they really wanted to do was rent a car and drive from Seattle to San Francisco. And I thought this would be a really scary trip, but I decided to do it because I could write about it. So this poem is called My Family Snores. My family snores. Fake vegetal hum, inconsolable child, deep yogic inhalations. I stop up my ears with bright puffs of orange. Next time, my mother says, we'll drive down the coast, stop at all the little towns, eat some bread, see the beach. There will be no next time, my sister is matter of fact. It could be worse. Broken bones, bile, and other bodily secretions would all feature if this were a 90-minute Hollywood story. My father blindfolds his eyes. My mother's feet peek out beneath blanket, wool hat pulled down to preserve darkness. My earplugs fall out in the middle of sleep. The snoring gets softer after daybreak, but I'm awake. It doesn't matter. Still, I appreciate the quiet before the shuffle of 4 adults navigating morning in a shared hotel room. Yeah, the drawing that is here is a collaborative drawing that I did with my sister while we were on vacation. And the only other thing I wanted to say is that if you were reading along, you might have noticed there are some differences, so feel free to edit the poem.